Did you know that over 2 million fall injuries occur each year due to irregular floor maintenance? Floors in commercial spaces can quickly wear out, leading to costly repairs and even accidents. But there's a simple way to prevent this: regular floor maintenance. Regular cleaning is the first step. Whether it's tile, vinyl, or wood, consistent cleaning removes dirt and debris that can damage floors over time. Cleaning also helps spot early damage, like cracks or chips. Catching these early prevents expensive repairs. Maintaining floors goes beyond cleaning. Regular tasks like resealing grout and polishing prevent wear and tear, keeping your floors in great condition. One of the best ways to protect floors is applying anti-slip treatments. These coatings improve traction, especially in high-risk areas like bathrooms or kitchens, reducing slip accidents. Anti-slip coatings increase safety and help your floors last longer. They can be applied to tiles, stone, or ceramic floors, both indoors and outdoors. In high-traffic areas, like supermarkets, floors are constantly stressed. Anti-slip treatments ensure safety and prevent costly repairs. Investing in routine floor maintenance and anti-slip treatments saves you from expensive repairs in the long run. Professional services ensure your floors stay safe and durable. Regular maintenance isn't just about looks, it's about safety and saving money. Keep your floors in top condition to prevent costly repairs. Start protecting your floors today with expert cleaning and maintenance. Reach out to Premium Clean for professional care.